May God give you all the colors of life, colors of joy, colors of happiness, colors of relationship, and all the colors you want to paint in your life. With this,
Me and Annika wishing you all good morning to you all present here. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power.
with this, I would like to call Gaurav for prayer.
Stand everyone. Stand everyone. Close your eyes, join your hands, bow down your head. So we start the prayer. Dearest God, teach me to give and how to curse, the curse, to 12, and how to read, the bone, to abide by the rules of discipline, and fight for the sake to the last, and to love even those who we do hate, so that one day I may be worthy of the love and my country.
It is not the oath that make us believe the man, but the man the oath.
Right, Achusman, I am agree with you. With this, I would like to call Sister Singh for oath. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Srishti Singh from class 3rd B. Take your oath position. I am honest. I also have the high self-esteem. I promise to myself as per good food habit. I wash my hands before eating. I serve food to myself. I help mom in the kitchen and I leave food in the plate. I ring the plate, then pick up the washing. I always cover food with clean as per good housekeeping. I make my own bag, especially in the morning. I put dirty clothes separately for washing and try to wash them also. I wash my undergarment by myself. I put shoes, socks, books, etc. properly. I clean the house and toilet. Sometimes I not fight with my brother and sister. I love them a lot. As regards to study, I respect my teachers. I do well study. I finish my daily homework. I study on my home. For good span of time, I share away from social level. I belong to my parents and teachers. I'm proud of my family, including my school. They put a great effort on my education. I fulfill their and my dream. Watching perfectly. Adhikama. Good human being. I build a strong nation. Thanks mom, dad, and teachers for everything. Jai. मथुरा की खुशबू व गोकुल का वृंदावन की सुगंध बरसाते की राधा की उंगली व कान्हा का
Wow, wonderful lines, Anamika. With this beautiful quotation, I would like to call Abhinav Chandan Bhaiya for thought.
Join everyone. Myself Abhinav Chandan. Wish you all have happy Holi in advance. So today I am here to share a beautiful and colorful thought. And the thought is, Holi is the perfect time to break ice with new life into relationship and have a blend with people with bright colors of the festival. Its Hindi meaning is रिश्तों में नई जान डालने, होली के चमकीले रंगों के साथ लोगों के साथ मस्ती करने का सही समय होली है. Thank you. Wish you all a happy Holi in advance.
Share our movie colorful thought with us. Okay, now tell me how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7. Answer is correct. Do you rainbow colors tell us?
No, I don't know.
It does. Happiness does not always come to pink. Learn to appreciate the rainbow.
Now I would like to call Ananya Tripathi for GK questions related to Holi.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Ananya Tripathi and wish you a happy Holi in advance. Today I am going to ask you some GK questions related to Holi. So the first question is, by which name Holi is recognized in Odisha? Yes, your answer is correct. Yola Purnima. So the second question is, what was the name of Hiranyakaship's sister? Yes, your answer is correct. Holika. The famous Lakma Holi is played at which place? Yes, your answer is correct. Barsana. In which Hindu month Holi is celebrated? Yes, your answer is correct. Father. So the fifth question is, what was the story behind Holi festival related to? Yes, your answer is correct. Demon, Holika and Prahlad. So the sixth question is, Holika Dahan in South India known as? And the answer is Kama Dahanam. Now it's time to identify a song from music. So identify the first song. Which song is this? Yes, your answer is correct. होली के दिन खिल जाते हैं, रंगों से रंग मिल जाते हैं. Now identify the second song. Yes, your answer is correct. रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. Now it's time for Antara. In Antara, I will say some line of a song and you have to complete that whole song. So the first song is रंग लेके खेलते गुलाल लेके खेलते, रंग लेके खेलते गुलाल लेके खेलते, राधा संग होली नंद लाल खेलते. बोलो. Yes, you all are giving your answer so nicely. So the second song is होली खेले रघुवीरा अवध में. Yes, your answer is correct. Thank you and happy Holi in advance again.
Very nice. भरा रहे आपका जीवन, खुशियां बरसे आपके आंगन.
इन सुंदर पंक्तियों के साथ मैं शिवांगी को एक हिंदी कविता के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी. सुप्रभात आप सभी को. मेरा नाम शिवांगी उपाध्याय है. आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है होली. देखो देखो होली आई, कितनी सारी खुशियां लाई. होली का अनोखा त्योहार लाता खुशियों का भरमार. मौसम ने भी अंगड़ाई, सूरज ने भी गर्मी दिखाई. देखो देखो होली आई, हम सब मिलकर नाचे गाए, एक दूसरे को रंग लगाए. बच्चों ने भी अपनी पिचकारी खूब चलाई. देखो देखो होली आई, चारों ओर अबीर गुलाल, रंगीन घटा है छाई. गिले शिवों को मिटाकर सब गले मिले हैं भाई. देखो देखो होली आई, आओ हम सब मिलकर बुराई की होली जलाए. भूत प्रहलाद को याद करें हम. देखो देखो होली आई, ये बात दादाजी ने हम सबको समझाई है. देखो देखो होली आई है, कितनी सारी खुशियां लाई है. धन्यवाद.
With beautiful poem, I would like to call Aksika for English poem.
Don't look where you fall, but where you sit. With this thought, I am Chita Chalasya, wishing you joy and happy Holi in advance. Today I am here to recite an English poem, and the poem title is Holi. Dum dum dum, Holi has come.
Red yellow green,
All the colors follow me. Run, run, run. Away, away you run. Here comes the color from the water gun. Dum, dum, dum. Holi has come. I like Holi. It is such a fun. Thank you and happy Holi in advance again. Now I would like to talk another beautiful topic related to Holi. Be honest, be nice, be a plan, not a weak. With this, join everyone. Today I am going to deliver a topic on Holi. So let's start. Holi is a religious festival. It is the festival of colors. Holi falls in the month of March or Fagun, as per the Hindu calendar on Purnima. The day before Holi is Holika Dahan or Choti Holi. On Choti Holi, people perform religious rituals in front of bonfire. Holika Dahan symbolizes the victory of good over evil because of burning of Prahlad's evil aunt Holika in the fire. On Holi, people eat gujiyas and pakoras together with friends and family. On Holi, people play with color, gulal and water. Children also play with water balloons. People play drums and other musical instruments and sing and chant together. Holi is a festival of joy and happiness. Thank you. May Holi bring smile to your lips. May Holi bring smile to your lips.
A shine in your eyes and happiness in your eyes. Wishing
Wishing
you
you a joyful Holi.
with this, we are going to ending our class assembly. Thank you. Have a nice day.